Now we will do sound of CKTH worksheet. Complete the following words. Dash UMB, thumb. THUMB, thumb. SO dash S, SOCKS, socks. Next word is dash READ, thread. THREAD, thread. Once again, THUMB, thumb. SOCKS, socks. THREAD, thread. Next, IN, thin. THIN, thin. THIN, thin. LO dash, LOCK, lock. LOCK, lock. FRO dash, FROCK, frock. Okay beta, complete the following word. THUMB, thumb. SOCKS, socks. THREAD, thread. THIN, thin. LOCK, lock. FROCK, frock. Now next, match the rhyming word. Okay beta, first word is BLACK, black. BLACK, black. We will match with attack. ATTACK, attack. TRICK, trick. BRICK, brick. Trick, brick. Black, attack. ROCK, rock. LOCK, lock. CHIK, chick. THICK, thick. BIRTH, breath, birth. BIRTH, birth. FAITH, faith. Okay beta, match the rhyming with black, attack. Black, loud with me. Black, attack. Trick, break. Rock, lock. Chick, thick. Birth, faith. Okay beta, you will do this worksheet in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day.